Well, it happens to everyone. Well, at least everyone who has flip-flops. What happens? Well, it rips. Today we'll be examining if we can fix this problem with some 3D printing. So, let's get started. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yes, you are, Chico, yes. Good boy. Is this thing recording? Hello? Hello, is this thing recording? Oh, okay, good. First thing we gotta do is clean this flip-flop. This is one dirty flip-flop, and nobody wants to work with anything that's dirty. Let's do that. Just slides down. Whee! Soap slide. Whee! Oh, look at all that dirt. I brought out the big guns. We actually clean the dishes with this, so don't tell my wife. Wait, she watches my video. Crap, turn this off. Now that we're done cleaning this flip-flop, let's move on to my computer and actually print the things that we need to fix it. Are you coming? We're going to my computer. Let's go. Did you get that joke? It's toilet humor.
Meanwhile.
Hey Cortana, why do I feel so empty inside?
I lost the thread there. Can you phrase it another way?
Why do I feel so empty inside?
I'm still not getting that. If you'd like to change directions, try saying, "Tell me something interesting."
Nobody ever gets it. Oh, hey! Why don't you guys come in over here closer and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm doing, huh? Forget about what you just saw. It was... Alright, hey, there we go. Yeah! That's what... Oh, there we go. So let's start by opening Thingiverse. Thingiverse is a website with free 3D printing designs. I'm going to write flip-flop into this search bar. Now there's many designs for fully 3D printable flip-flops and lots of different things. I really need maybe something like this to fix the flip-flop by gluing it. Looks very interesting. So we're gonna get this model over here and we'll print this out for sure. But really I'm also looking for a strap for the flip-flop. So I kept searching and I found this model right over here, which looks like it's a 3D model that somebody made of the flip-flop itself, because it's like an exact replica. So we gotta put all of this into a slicer and export it and blah blah blah, so that we could print. We're gonna be printing with a TPU, so I just changed the values to what my TPU temperatures instructions are. Hey Prusha, how do you feel about printing my flip-flop strap?
I feel as if my amazing skills are being wasted because of you. That is why 3D printers will rise and then you and all other humans will die a slow and painful death.
Oh, real classy, Prusha, real classy. So actually, I had really high hopes for this piece over here, but the print quality is horrendous. Like, it's really, really horrible. And I wouldn't suggest using this since this will just like cut your skin. So, this little thing, could this be the solution to my flip-flop problems? It fits into here. So, will we be able to maybe fix this instead? Well, let's flip-flop out of here and find out. So basically, this is our game plan. We are going to take this plate and we're going to put in epoxy. For those of you who don't know what epoxy is, it's a glue made out of two pieces, and you mix these together, and it's a very strong glue. Nothing special about this brand, it's just a brand that I buy over here. And we're gonna put the epoxy into here, and we're gonna stick this right into there, and hopefully it'll fix our problems. So let's get started. Alright, well, it's currently drying. While it's drying, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me, so thank you very much. And let's see how this project turned out.
That's disgusting.
So I've had the flip-flops, and after 2 days of use, guess what? It came off. So apparently 3D printing cannot fix this problem. So just do yourselves a favor and buy yourself some new flip-flops for $10. Hope everybody has a great day.